Oh, hey, guess what we're gonna do? A whole slew of poo. Got my buddy here today, and we got this piece of crap. And it leaks a lot of flirts because it's old. But you know, it's high performance. So, yeah, let's jump into shit. Remember, kids, safety third. Right there. All right, so I'm pretty sure it's these little bastards that are leaking power steering fluid here. Oh my goodness, it's wetter than Jenna Jameson down here. Hoo-wee. Go there and up there and back there, and we're gonna have to stuff our little girl hands all over the place today. Okay, so we got our handy dandy wrench, and we got a fluid bucket that I stole from the old lady because who needs coffee? We're just gonna hop right in here. Man, good thing these are lubed. Tighter than my ex-wife. Oh yeah, missed the bucket. That's normal. Oh good, that one's trying to round off. I think we're gonna get the bolt cutters and chop that off and stick a socket on it. That sounds way more fun. And we got the right tool this time. Oh, wrong hole. Oh, got her. That one isn't leaking as much. Look at that. Like a glove. That must be how Dodge designed it. Huh. That was a way better idea. Should have did that earlier. Alright, now we gotta figure out how to get the top ones off of there. That doesn't look fun. Where does that one even go? Oh. Yep. Alright. Almost dropped it on my cranium. Whew. Almost lost my cool there. Sometimes you just gotta reach in real deep, just elbows deep. And you know, you gotta do that to your old lady. I'm gonna find a new one. The faces. That's what makes it. Okay, got one. So as you can see, there's like no room in here. And I gotta get to that stupid clamp. All right, right there. Just shove it in there. Oh, yeah, shove it right in the hole, Willie. Yeah, all right. Oh yeah, love it when you shove it in there like that. I should have spit on it. Would have went on easier. Whew, that went right on. All right, so sometimes you just can't poke it all the way, so you gotta get your turny device and just make sure it's going the right way. All right, I'm pretty sure that'll leak, but that's normal for a Dodge. Hey, Will, check this out. It's like the hose is my... Oh. Always check before... Careful with the jokes on this one, it's only 16. Always check your wrench size. Ow, fuck, I stabbed myself. Oh, hey, so sometimes you pack dirt in there, and then, like, You gotta get the dirt out of your hole. Now, this is a premium vehicle. You don't want to waste your time jamming dirt up into the power steering rack because stuff could go wrong. You don't want stuff to go wrong. Oh, what line is this? Oh, we got that. Yeah, son. We are professionals. You know, we aren't screwing around. This is not satire. Oh, I don't know which is which, man. I think. Uh-oh. Always make sure you wipe off your hands before you play with your O-ring. So once you forget and remember twicey which line goes where, you totally make sure you cleaned all the dirt off of there. You don't want none of that shit. And then you find your hole and you just start a twisting. Make sure you jam that guy right in the fan. That way, when the cooling stuff comes on, it goes, rah, 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 and, you know, it does the self-shortening. This is a long-winded cocksucker. I'll probably take a nap down here. Make sure you get it way too tight. Oh, I forgot I ordered more parts. Hope the old lady's not pissed. What the fuck is this? Should have did it like old zip ties and bias plies where you get the chainsaw. Oil filters for protection. Spark plugs for going fast. Boy, that cap will just not come off. Maybe you shouldn't be a douche with the juice. Get this cap off of here. Huh. Maybe I shouldn't be a douche with the juice. That'll get it. Whoa! The juice is amazing! I have here our fully synthetic power steering fluid. It's not flush. Have you ever bled a power steering system? You're gonna learn today. So we just got to take a second here, guys, and you know we're getting so popular, and not now, Ma. And we're getting really cool, and I got a sponsor today, the Juice. So you know we got to use their saying, "Don't be a douche with the juice," and they'll give me a sucker. Step 69. Start the truck. You gotta turn the wheels. Concentrate now. Look in our hole. Is there foam? Check for leaks. No leaks. Huh. It's low. Maybe we should add some more premium fluid. This smells like rotten. I won't say it. Ah, made a mess. Repeat step 69. Always honk your horn to tell your partner you're finished. Okay, and I think that'll take care of this job. I'm not sponsored by Brake Cleaner. Oh, this is the high VOCs. Now, after you remove your jack stands, make sure that your high quality jack releases the vehicle slowly so you don't crush any toes. Holy shit! Good thing I wasn't under there. Alright, good enough. Run the wheel, Chuck. That power steering works real good. Alright kids, I think that's going to end this veggie off here. So, just remember to come back for more fun. And to always test your power steering abilities by power braking the shit out of your one-wheel drive Dakota.